That's nice. Oh, you're doing really well. Wow. Oh, you've done it. All right, okay, I understand that. Oh, yes. Oh, that's the way to do it. Clap for yourself. That's really nice. Oh, yes. You want to serve that in the plate now? Are you angry on that knife? Oh, yes. Did I bring it back? Wow. That's really nice way to do it. Hold it tight. Hold it firm. Use the knife well. Oh, wow. That's a perfect cut. That's a perfect size. Again, we do it. Wow. Do you want to try on the carrot now? Oh, okay. This is fine. The red, red, red. Yes. All right. Oh, it isn't still tasty. It's really tasty and nice. Oh, yes. Some more pressure. Yes. Yes, some more pressure. Oh. Yeah, it's easier to do it like this. Some carrots now. Should we chop some carrots? It's right, all right. To hold it firm and tight. Yes, the carrots. Oh, yes, that's a perfect size. Yes, another one now. The vegetable is getting ready. Okay, this is an easier way to do it, isn't it? Oh, yeah. Wow. Chopping them off again. Yes, you've done it. Wow, the vegetables are ready. Some carrots are ready, and some onions are ready as well. Pari is doing really good. She's chopping some more carrots now. She's chopping the carrots really well. Yes, and again, it's a good way to break them. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, so much more pressure.